Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on managing warranty claims for your Asus GL553V laptop. Today, we will walk through the necessary steps to ensure your device is well taken care of under warranty. Let's start with the tools you need for this process. First, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a can of compressed air. These tools will help you open the laptop and perform any necessary cleanups or checks. If you don't have these tools at home, remember, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you. Now, let's begin by powering off your Asus GL553V. Once it's completely shut down, unplug all cables and peripherals. This is crucial for your safety and to prevent any potential damage during the inspection. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of your laptop. There are typically 10 Phillips screws securing the bottom cover. Carefully remove these screws and place them in a small container to avoid losing them. As you're doing this, take note of the different lengths of screws, as they may be required to go back in their original positions. After removing the screws, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the bottom panel. Start from one corner and work your way around to avoid damaging the clips that hold the cover in place. Once the panel is off, you'll have access to the internal components of your laptop. Before proceeding, let's discuss cleaning. Dust accumulation can lead to overheating and performance issues. Using the can of compressed air, blow out any dust, particularly around the fans and heatsinks. This step is crucial in maintaining optimal performance. If you're uncomfortable doing this yourself, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring your device gets the care it needs. Now, take a moment to visually inspect the internal components. Look for any signs of damage or loose connections. If you spot any issues that you think may fall under warranty, it's essential to document them. Take clear photos or notes to present when filing your claim. If everything appears to be in good condition, it's time to reassemble the laptop. Carefully snap the bottom cover back into place, ensuring that all clips are secured. Then, replace the screws, making sure to return each screw to its original position based on your earlier notes. Once reassembled, power on your laptop and check if everything is functioning properly. If you encounter any problems, don't hesitate to contact us. We can provide a quote before repair, ensuring transparency in costs and procedures. In conclusion, handling warranty claims for your Asus GL553V can be straightforward if you follow these steps. Remember to keep your device clean and inspect it regularly. If you prefer professional assistance, reach out to us for a hassle-free experience. We handle everything, so there are no calls and no travel needed from your side. Your satisfaction is our priority, and we are here to help you every step of the way. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.